Hey, I'm back. What's up? Troy here, New Gun Nation. And last week I did a video on the little blue cans. And it freaked me out a little bit because I got a lot of responses. And a lot of people even just calling me saying, okay, what are you doing? So I've been getting ready. I said, I haven't done a gun video in a couple months because I've been getting ready. Preparing for what may come, and that sparked a lot of interest in some people. I think you mentioning prepping, got some people watching the video, but bottom line is I thought about it and I'm like, I think I need to do something regularly, so I'm gonna do like a Monday morning prep deal. So I'm here and you can actually hear the recycling truck coming, so he may make an appearance, but as you can see, the blue bins are out. That's mine. And I have my garbage can, which they've already picked up. They pick up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. Thank you very much. But I was gonna talk about one of my preps, something that I have been thinking about, and something that wasn't the first thing I did, but was something that I decided I was gonna do. So here's the deal. I'm not gonna edit these videos, so they're gonna be around 3 minutes. But I just realized I spent all this time shooting and editing videos that like 40 people watch, and this last one got 2,000 views. So I'm just gonna keep it real. But this is my prep that a lot of people have, but I only had one and it was expired. It's a fire extinguisher. And hey, you're more likely to have a fire in your house than a firefight. So that's my prep of the day for Monday. I bought one for the one I needed to replace that was kind of old. I took that one and I put it in my car for now, and I think I can get that one recharged, so I'm gonna work on that. So I bought this dude. These are both from Costco. I got this guy, and then I saw this dude, and it's more of a kitchen size, so it's a little dude. So we got a couple fire extinguishers, and last week I mentioned keep it simple and don't go crazy. Be practical, and I think this is practical because you're more likely to have a fire. Like last week, I about burnt my deck down with my grill because it was so greasy and I hadn't cleaned it. And I almost broke this dude out, but I used baking powder? No, flour. I think it's flour you put on it. There's gonna be tons of comments, I know. I am a newbie at the gun world, or the pew-pews, you can't say gun, I guess. And in this last year, and now I'm a newbie in prepping, so please be kind and get ready. Blessings.
New Gun Nation.
Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with somebody that could use it. Hey, just in time. Look who's here. Yeah, our recycling dude. And yeah, the blue bins are out. Last week, ooh, that's an epic fail. Man, that's a problem.